Welcome to the world of AI, where qualitative researchers play a crucial role in unraveling its mysteries. To become a successful qualitative researcher, you need a diverse set of skills. First, you must have a solid understanding of AI and machine learning. Research skills are essential for gathering and analyzing data effectively. Critical thinking is crucial to evaluate and interpret AI-related information. Effective communication skills are necessary to convey research findings. Ethics and responsibility are paramount when dealing with AI technologies. Programming skills enable researchers to develop AI models and algorithms. Curiosity and creativity drive innovation in the AI research field. Remember, continuous learning and development are key to becoming an exceptional qualitative researcher. Master the skills of a qualitative researcher in the AI world and unlock endless possibilities. This video is curated by Dr. Philip Adu, methodology expert at the Center for Research Methods Consulting.